Investing in the S&P 500 is a popular way to gain exposure to a broad range of US stocks. Here's a simplified guide on how to invest in the S&P 500. Research and understand. The S&P 500 is an index that tracks the performance of 500 large-cap US stocks. Learn about its historical performance, components, and significance in the financial markets. Determine your investment strategy. Define your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Consider whether you want to invest in the S&P 500 for the long term or for shorter term trading. Choose an investment vehicle. Decide how you want to invest in the S&P 500. You can invest directly through an index fund or an exchange-traded fund that tracks the S&P 500. Alternatively, you can consider investing in S&P 500 futures contracts or options. Select an index fund or ETF. Research different S&P 500 index funds or ETFs and compare their expense ratios, tracking error, liquidity, and performance history. Look for reputable providers and funds that closely track the index. Open an investment account. If you don't have one already, open an investment account with a brokerage firm or financial institution that offers access to S&P 500 index funds or ETFs. Ensure the platform provides low-cost trading options. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your investment account to have the necessary capital to invest in the S&P 500. You can transfer money from your bank account or other investment accounts. Place orders and execute trades. Once your account is funded, place orders to buy shares of the selected S&P 500 index fund or ETF. Follow the instructions provided by your broker or financial institution to execute the trades. Monitor and review. Regularly monitor the performance of your investment in the S&P 500. Stay informed about market trends, news, and any changes in the index's composition. Review your investment strategy periodically and make adjustments as needed. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing in the S&P 500 is a long-term strategy. Stay disciplined, avoid emotional decision-making based on short-term market fluctuations, and remain patient to benefit from the potential growth of the index over time. Seek professional advice. If you're uncertain about investing in the S&P 500 or need personalized guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help assess your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals to create a tailored investment plan.